Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue. Error code CE-109737-7. So there is no USB drive connected. If you are trying to take backup of your PS5 console and if you're getting this error right, so I'm going to tap it. There is no USB drive connected. Why you are getting this error means, so you have added your pen drive as a external storage. That's why it's the issue. So I'm going back. Go to system storage, because if you are using your pen drive as USB external storage, it will not work. You cannot take backup. So I'm going to try that. Backup and restore. Backup your PS5, you will be getting error. We can fix this issue easily in PS5 console itself. So now I'm going to give OK. Go to storage. And here come to USB external storage. See, we are using this pen drive as external storage. That's why we are not able to back up our PS5 console. So now I'm going to format it. So here itself you can format it. So just tap this more options. You can format as exFAT. Take backup all your data from your USB drive, then do it. So tap this format as exFAT. This USB drive is currently in use as USB external storage. Do you want to stop using it and format it as exFAT? Yes, I'm going to choose that. When you format the USB drive, all data on it will be deleted. So take backup and delete it. So I'm going to give yes, and it's formatting. Do not disconnect. This USB drive has been formatted as exFAT. Now I'm going to try backup. Okay. Now I'm going to take backup under system software, backup and restore. And here I'm going to tab this backup your PS5. I think this time it is allowing. It is calculating games and apps, save data, screenshot, everything here. Superb. Now the issue is fixed. Now I will be able to take backup. So that's it, friends. Now you can format your USB drive in PS5 console itself to take backup of your PS5. So you can choose whatever you want and you need to tap next. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue for your pen drive in PS5 console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.